Welcome! Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and Fire Mountain Gems and Beads is here to help you get ready for the holiday. Today we're going to make this great caged bead heart earring, and it is so easy. It only requires 2 tools, a couple of pairs of pliers, and these materials. This gold-plated heart, a little red heart-shaped bead, a couple of different sizes of jump ring, and these wonderful ear wires that have a quartz crystal already set into them. And it is so easy. Watch this. First of all, take the bead cage, open it up. Wow, is that the hard part or what? Next thing, we're going to get tougher now. Got to put that bead inside that cage. Close it. Now, of course, we don't want this popping open on your ears. So the next thing is to use this bigger jump ring to hold your bead cage shut, and always with jump rings. Remember, it's a twisting action to open and close it, not a pulling action. Go through the top of the bead cage and close it. It's getting tough now. Take the small jump ring. This is for the people with the good eyes. You can use a bigger one if you like. Open it with a twisting motion. Put it through your jump ring and hang it on your ear wire. Now, how long did that take? Make a bunch of these. Great gifts, great to wear for yourself, and great for selling at any type of bazaar event you want to go to. Thanks for joining me. Have a happy Valentine's Day.